Acer Aspire 3 A315-35 comes equipped with Intel Celeron and 4500 processor. It also has RAM 8GB DDR4 and storage SSD 256GB M2 PCIe NVMe option, offering flexibility for multitasking but not for gaming. Acer Aspire 3 A315-35. It has screen 15.6-inch FHD, 1920 by 1080. It looks transparent, but when we use it for a long time, it hurts a little our eyes. Acer Aspire 3 A315-35 laptop have a nice keyboard with good travel. With a battery 3-cell ion 40Wh, the battery life on the Acer Aspire 3 A315-35 is not exceptional. Expect around 2 to 3 hours of moderate usage before needing to recharge. Acer Aspire 3 A315-35 comes with various ports, including USB 3.2, HDMI, networks, and headphone/microphone jacks, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of devices and peripherals. Acer Aspire 3 A315-35 is also a good choice for you use normal, and it is also cheaper. Its quality is the same. This is just my opinion. Therefore, before deciding to buy, please review for yourself.